Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing great today. Cooking up some sausage that my buddy AJ gave me. Smells really awesome. We'll test it out here in a little bit. He wanted me to make sure to let him know when I cooked it up. So we've got this cooking right now, and we will come back in a little bit and see how it tastes. All right, guys, we've got it ready. Let me get this little piece right here. It's really good. I'm not sure what he put in it. It doesn't taste like your regular breakfast sausage. It's got some heat to it. It's really good. Bacon is really good too. You can taste a sweetness to it. It's really awesome. Thank you, AJ, for bringing this up with you when we did our trade for some cast iron. You always gotta love, trading cast iron with people and end up bringing home food. So y'all have a great one.